Welcome to Daily English Learning. We provide easy-to-understand English learning videos every day. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, you will find content that suits you here. Subscribe to us and improve a little bit every day. Go on. Despite the difficulties, we must go on bravely. You're right. Please go on. Go through. Everyone has to go through ups and downs in life. We went through that difficult period together. Grow up. Children will eventually grow up. I grew up in a loving family. Hand in. Please hand in your homework before Friday. He has handed in his resignation letter. Hang up. After the call, don't forget to hang up the phone. I hadn't finished talking yet, but he hung up the phone. Hold back. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your dreams. He has been holding back the truth. Hold on. Hold on. I'll be there in a moment. Even though the situation is tough, we must hold on. Hold up. Please hold up your hands and let me see. The traffic jam held up our trip. Keep up. Please keep up the room tidy. I'm trying to keep up with the development of new technologies. Leave out. Your report left out some important information. This set meal leaves out the dessert. Let down. I don't want to let my parents down. He didn't keep his promise, which let me down. Look after. I need someone to look after my children. Looking after a pet is a big task. Look forward to. I am looking forward to the weekend. We are all looking forward to your good news. Look into. The police are looking into the case. I will look into the issue and give you a reply. Look up. If you don't know the meaning of this word, you can look it up in the dictionary. I'm trying to look up this information online. Make out. It's too dark. I can barely make out the objects in the distance. I can't make out his behavior. Make up. Water and oxygen make up the water molecule. Don't make up excuses. Make up for. He is trying to make up for the mistakes he made in the past. Nothing can make up for the lost time. Pay back. I will pay back all my debts before the end of next month. I can never pay back my parents for everything they have done for me. Point out. I would like to point out some issues in this plan. She pointed out the mistakes in our argument. Thank you for watching. Draw up. The lawyer is drawing up the contract. We need to draw up a detailed plan. Dress up. We need to dress up for the formal dinner. Children like to dress up as different characters for Halloween. Drop by. Feel free to drop by anytime if you're free. He dropped by his parents' house on his way home from work. Drop off. I can drop you off at the station on my way. During the long journey, he dropped off in the car. Dry up. The prolonged drought caused the river to dry up. His creativity seems to have dried up. Dwell on. Don't dwell on past mistakes. This question has been dwelling on my mind. Ease off. The work pressure is starting to ease off. The doctor advised him to ease off and not be so tense. Eat away. The waves are eating away at the coastline. Anxiety is eating away at his energy. Embark on. They are about to embark on a new adventure. The company is embarking on a new project. End up. He ended up becoming a successful entrepreneur. Our trip ended up with an unexpected party. Engage in. The students actively engage in class discussions. He has been engaging in scientific research. Face up to. We must face up to reality. He finally faced up to his mistake. Doze off. After driving for hours, he almost dozed off at the wheel. The old man dozed off comfortably in the sunshine. Drag on. The negotiations dragged on without any result. The speech seemed to drag on endlessly. Dream up. He always dreams up innovative solutions. She dreamed up an interesting theme for the party. Drift apart. Over time, once close friends drifted apart. Their relationship drifted apart due to lack of communication. Drive at. I'm not quite sure what you're driving at. His comments drove at the possibility that the company might be in financial trouble. Dwell upon. Don't dwell upon past mistakes. She likes to dwell upon the beautiful moments in life. Dash against. The boat dashed against the rocks on the shore. Raindrops kept dashing against the window. Delve into. Scientists are delving into the causes of this disease. She enjoys delving into the history of different cultures. Dive into. Let's dive into the issue directly. He dove into the new project wholeheartedly. Drum up. They're trying to drum up more customers for the new product. The politicians are drumming up support for the policy. Dwell in. They dwell in a quiet little village. Hope dwells in people's hearts forever. Duck out. He always tries to duck out of his responsibilities. Can we duck out early? This party is so boring. Dabble in. He likes to dabble in various forms of art. She only dabbled in stock investment. Dish out. The volunteers are dishing out food to the homeless. The teacher is always ready to dish out advice. Double up. Due to limited space, some students need to double up in rooms. He doubled up with laughter. Dovetail with. Their plan dovetailed perfectly with the company's objectives. This research dovetails with our previous findings. Draw out. The speaker deliberately drew out his speech. Good teachers know how to draw out students' potential. Drill down. We need to drill down to the root of this problem. Let's drill down into these figures and see what we can find.